Paper ship nga ba, mami, for the house. You cannot touch it because it's important. Ano? How are you? No more vomit?
No. Deep daan.
Baby, present. Can I see? Can I see?
Deep
Check ko lang. Check ko muna. Check ko lang. I'll check it. Oh, this is nice.
Deep.
What's inside the box?
Deep.
Wait lang. I'm asking you, what's inside the box? What is it, a toy? Anong toy? Toy to?
Deep.
Where's my gift? Gift where? Ay, keep ko na. Keep mo na. You can keep it on your own. You can
What them?
Huh?
No.
Ate M? Cooking.
F? No, F the ate. Or F?
You wanna help Ate M?
Tuti.
Help mo si Ate M mag-cook.
Where Ate M?
The kitchen in their house. Cooking.
Mama, F? Tuti.
Huh?
Tuti.
You gonna steer? Cooking ka?
Where Ate M?
Nandito sa kitchen nila. Mami's calling natin.
No, F. No, F.
Help mo si Ate M mag-cook.
Yeah.
You gonna cut the onions. Onions and garlic. Say, cut the onions. Okay, say, cut the onions. Very good. Cut the garlic. Cut the garlic. Say, cut the garlic.
Say now.
Nice.